Let's learn how to delete all comments on Instagram. So if there are your comments that you don't like to be seen on your post or on other posts, follow these instructions. Make sure that Instagram is updated and have the latest features and options. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Instagram. At the top right corner you can see the profile icon. Click on it. Your profile page will open up. At the top right corner, click on these 3 lines. The pop-up window will show up. Here click on your activity. At the new window find interactions. Now click on the comments. You can see all your comments history. You can see at the top right corner select button. Now we just need to select all the comments because there is no button for select all. After you select all comments, at the bottom you can find a delete button. Click on it and confirm. That will be for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.